Today I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield washer nozzle. This is on a 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL. I'm sure it applies to all this generation Honda Odysseys. But anyway, what was happening is we would try to wash our windshield and there was no fluid coming out the front nozzles. So I tried the back and we were getting washer fluid out of the back, and so I knew it wasn't just out of fluid. When I opened the hood, and I'll show you this, but anyway, the pipe had disintegrated. The windshield washer nozzle, the end of it had disintegrated. Now I bought this nozzle at the Honda dealership. It was about $18. I checked on Amazon. It didn't look like it was an exact fit, and it would probably only save me about $10. So I thought I'd go with the original, but I'm sure the ones on Amazon would work just fine. So when I opened up the hood, what I found, and this one's good, you can see it has an end piece that goes into the pipe, but over on this side, the end piece had pretty much disintegrated, and it was inside of the pipe. I just had to compress it, and all of the plastic, which had disintegrated or dissolved, fell out. And so what I need to do is I need to replace this nozzle. It's really pretty simple, and I'll show you how to do that. Now you can see that if one of them's not working, the other one will not work because there will not be enough pressure because they branch off from the same line, and so neither one of them worked. So here we have the new piece that we'll be putting in, and it's a real simple fix. All you do is you just get a pair of pliers and you'll compress this and it'll pop out. Got to make sure that you're not on that hose. You can see you just compress it. Now you just go ahead and lift it out. Now you need to make sure that you compress both the front and back. You can see you need to compress both of them in order for it to fit through. You may just get one side and then have to compress the other side. But now to install this, you're just going to put it in here. Once you get that in, then you twist it, and then you're just going to snap it in place. It's really simple. And then the last thing you need to do is just go ahead and attach the hose. We'll just go ahead and slide that on, and we'll go ahead and test it and make sure everything's working. So you can see that both sprayers are working, and we've solved the problem. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.